What if I told you that you are the greatest project you'll ever work on? The clock is ticking and this year is almost over. And now's the perfect time to restart, reset, and refocus on your goals. Let's turn your passions, your skills, your knowledge into something life-changing. There's less than a month left of this year. So how do you want to finish is determined by what your next move is. Are you ready to bet on yourself? If you're wondering if it's too late to make a change, let me tell you, it's never too late to build something amazing. So I remember when I first started feeling stuck, I was working endless hours and feeling like the needle was never even moving on my dreams. And it wasn't until I took a step back and really committed to me and working on me that changed everything. So whether you're looking to grow your business or start something brand new or just turn your passions into income, this video is for you. So today I'm sharing with you 4 steps that help me reset my mindset, refocus my energy, and restart my journey towards financial freedom. So if this resonates with you, hit the like button and stay to the end because I've got something that could completely change your trajectory. So the first step is to restart your mindset. Your mindset is everything. If you felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure, it's time to give yourself permission to restart. Take 10 minutes to journal, like what's been holding you back. What does success look like for you? And be kind to yourself because this is your journey. And restarts are part of the process. And step 2 is you want to reset your focus. You want to focus on what truly matters and cut out all the noise. You want to zero in on what's going to move that needle in your life, in your business. List your top 3 priorities for the next 30 days. You want to eliminate distractions. So say no to whatever doesn't align with your goals, like no Netflix or wasting time scrolling. You want to commit, even if it's just for 1 hour a day. Step 3 is you're going to want to refocus all your energy, pour all your energy into what will bring the biggest return financially, emotionally, creatively. You want to identify your strengths and skills, your knowledge, or your experiences that can help you create a stream of income because your unique experiences are valuable. Someone out there is waiting to learn from you. Step number 4 is you want to take action with a proven plan. And the best way to avoid the overwhelm is to follow a proven roadmap. So introduce yourself to this amazing comprehensive course that I found that gives you the step-by-step process to turn your passions and your knowledge and skills into income. It's been a game changer for me and it's accessible for everybody. So the year isn't over yet and neither is your chance to restart, reset, and refocus. So remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself. So don't give up now. This is your time. And if this spoke to you, drop a like below and let me know how you're resetting and what you're going to be focusing on. These are the last few weeks of the year, so let's make them count. What you've got is amazing, and you can do something amazing with it. So don't let the clock scare you. Let it motivate you. And we're going to go out there and make it happen. So if you click on the link in the description box, you can find out more. And your future self will thank you. I'll see you soon. I can't wait to take you on this journey and go on this journey with you. Click in the link and let's go.